How do we know if your home is actually eligible to go solar? Well, there's many different factors involved, and our team of engineers will be able to tell you if your house actually qualifies to go solar. Cross your fingers and hope you're one of the lucky ones who can actually take advantage of the many benefits of going solar. So the first is what's called sun exposure. Does your roof actually get enough sunlight in order to produce enough energy for your home? So there's many different factors that determine whether or not your roof gets enough sunlight. Usually what we're looking for is western, southern, and eastern facing sides to put the solar panels on your roof. Generally speaking, we don't like to put the solar panels on the northern side of the roof because it has the lowest amount of production. The southern side of your roof is going to be our primary focus because that's where you're going to get the most amount of sunlight and be able to produce the most amount of electricity. Our software, the satellites, and our AI-powered design tool will be able to tell you exactly how many kilowatt hours of energy every square inch of your roof can produce. Our engineers are going to determine whether or not your roof is actually a good roof for solar. Now, in most cases, if your roof is anywhere from 10 to 20 years old, we're going to want to go ahead and replace that roof before we put the solar system on your roof because the system is designed to be up there for the next 20 to 40 years, and we want to make sure we have a really solid foundation in order to install these panels. With most solar companies, you'd have to find another roofing company to actually do the installation. But with us, we're actually able to bundle the roof in with your solar. We're able to help you extend that 30% tax credit to the roof itself and do this all in one shot for you and your family. So not only can you get solar, but we can also get you a brand new roof. You can save 30% off the total cost of that roof just by going solar. Generally, asphalt roofs have anywhere from a 10 to 25 year lifespan. Concrete roofs have anywhere from a 25 to 50 year lifespan, and metal roofs are the best choice for roofs. Those are gonna last you anywhere from 50 to 100 years. So depending on the quality of your roof, we may or may not need to include a re-roof in your project. Lastly, depending on how many homes in your neighborhood have actually gone solar will determine whether or not the power company is even going to allow you to go solar. So in your neighborhood, you might have those wooden poles with the telephone wires connected, or you might have a newer neighborhood where your transformers are actually down on the ground. They're gonna be those green boxes that you see either in your front yard or one of your neighbors. So those green boxes are basically massive transformers. And what they do is they basically receive the power from the utility company, and then they transmit the power to your home and about 9 or 10 of your neighbors' homes. Now, if there are too many homes in your neighborhood that have gone solar and that transformer is at 70 to 80% capacity, well, from a safety standpoint, the utility company is not going to allow you to go solar because the more and more people that go solar, the more stress there is on the grid itself. So depending on how many people in your neighborhood have gone solar, you may or may not be eligible to go solar. That's why it's important to go ahead and get your application submitted today so we can verify with the electric company whether or not your home is actually eligible. If you don't qualify, that's okay. We just ask that you point us in the right direction of another family that could possibly benefit from solar. Whether or not your family is actually eligible to go solar, you can still join the Spark Change family and make a massive global impact for your friends, family, neighbors, and millions of people around the world. Thank you so much for your time and watching this part of the video series. We look forward to seeing you in the next section.